Linking your bank to the IQVIA portal is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your financial transactions efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Access the IQVIA portal. Log into your IQVIA account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to the banking section. Once logged in, locate the banking or payment settings section in the main menu. This is where you will find options to link your bank account. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the banking section, look for the option that says Link Bank Account or Add New Bank Account. Click on this option to start the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank details. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRIP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information you provided. If everything is correct, confirm the linking process and save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to the IQVIA portal, allowing for seamless financial transactions. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.